It's summertime. I don't know what happened to Santa Claus. All right, y'all, just as promised, we're gonna start painting the truck today. I'm not gonna show the whole process of it, but I did put the stripes on it yesterday. I want you to check these out. Huh? Look at them bad boys right there. Gotta look. We didn't have enough to go all the way back here to the back, so what I did, I took what I had left and just did it on each side like that. But getting ready to start painting it now, and I'll show you the end results. I might show you a little bit as we go through it. I don't know, I ain't sure yet. It depends. This is I painted my ice cream trucks probably 2 years ago. One of them I rolled on with a paintbrush, and the other one I sprayed on. But this one here was spraying rhino liner on the whole thing. I tell you, my buddy Jay here, he's actually spraying the truck off for me so he'd get the dust off it. He said he knew how to operate that better than I did. But he's painted both his, well, one truck twice, so he's more familiar with the rhino liner than I am. Pinstripes taped up, and I think they're going to be pretty straight once we paint it and peel it. What's up, buddy? Why you laying in the sun? All right, y'all, we have got it finished, covering everything. Jay's doing the finished touch back here on the windshield wiper, but it's pretty much there, ready to go. I guess the next time y'all see it, should be a different color. I showed y'all this before. This is what we're using. This is the paint itself with the hardener. It goes into it, then you pour the paint into it. Didn't want to show y'all that till it was done, but anyhow, it's all right. You have to shake it for 2 minutes. All right, y'all, the truck is sitting right here, but I can't show it to you right now. We're gonna go get some lunch. This is the second day, and to me, this thing looks absolutely amazing. I want to get y'all's opinion now. I want y'all to leave me a comment below and tell me what y'all think about it. I rhino lined it, got the retro stripes on it, but when I get back from lunch, I'm gonna pull it out there and I'm gonna show it to y'all. Back from lunch, my boy right there, Jay, love that dude. He helped me paint this thing, so I'm about to show it to y'all. I'm telling y'all, when you see it, definitely leave me a comment whether you like it, whether you don't like it. I take good or bad. So here it is. I bought the retro stripes to go on it from Toyota. Got the trailer hitch painted, rhino lined the bumpers, all rhino liner. You look close up at what it looks like right there. ...2004 Runner. Let me know what you think. I'm getting ready to cook a Philippine Bangus fish, milkfish, aka, and some beef lumpia. I'm gonna do it over the fire here. So y'all tell me how I do on this one. But I have to run now to get some high heat olive oil. We're not gonna use vegetable oil. Give it a go at one more cooking thing. Well, not one more cooking thing, because I'm gonna cook more on this channel. Being that I'm not in the Philippines right now, I'm trying to bring the Philippines to me. When I was there the last time, I had this thing called, I'm gonna try to pronounce this the way she does, Bangus fish, milkfish, same thing. I'm gonna try to cook one of those. This one that I have here, it is already seasoning. It's already got the seasoning on it, but I'm gonna put some flour and some seasoning in that on it, and we're gonna cook it over this fire right here. We're gonna see how it comes out. I don't know. I mean, you can't really mess fish up, can you? We're about to find out. I got me some high heat olive oil. This stuff's really good. I like drinking that stuff. Not that one, the regular olive oil. And I am telling y'all this, I absolutely miss the Philippines so bad. Yes, I'm going back. Just hadn't got everything situated to go back right now, but I miss the food. plate flying away. I miss people, but most of all, I miss my fiance, my wife. Really bad. The wind, when I came out here, there was no wind. Look at this. All of a sudden, I build a fire, wind goes crazy. I thank the Lord for it though. It's a beautiful day. Beautiful day. Beautiful. But let's do this. Oh yeah, and I've also got some beef lumpia. These are made in America, not in the Philippines. Remember the last ones I did? I don't know if you did a video way back. I rolled them myself and everything, just like Lynn taught me to do it. One more. I can get one more in there, baby. Yes. All right, I got 5 in there. Still got 3 more to go. Lumpia is cooking. This is very hot. Okay. I know what I got to do now. I got to pay a little bit more attention, don't we, baby? We got to get this thing. Ooh, it ain't that bad, though. It ain't that bad. We okay, we okay. I was thinking it was a little bit worse than that, but it ain't as bad as it seems. My end, it don't look that bad, y'all. Just got a little brown on the side right here. I mean, you can't control the heat coming off the street. Cooking them up, baby. I think it'll be pretty good. I don't know how these are now. These, like I say, these are factory wrapped, so they may not be as good as my hand wrapping them that my boo showed me in Philippines. But we're gonna find out. I'm gonna keep turning these babies so they don't get too dark. You can't, like I tell you, boy, you cook over a fire, the heat is on. That's making me all kind of nervous about when I put that fish in there. Whew. My devil, it's supposed to be 3 minutes on one side, 3 minutes on the other side, but I don't know. I'm about as new at this as, but it's fun. It's fun. I think these here is gonna be pretty tasty. I don't know, I'm gonna drop them other ones up in there. Cook them in about 30 seconds like I did them right there. Didn't take long. They were done. There you go right there. You know, I snuck one off camera. That thing's really good. The outside's really crunchy, really tasty. I may get me some more of these. That's pretty good. It's got beef and carrots in it. I see that, and some onions. Whatever else that I don't know, but it's good. All right, y'all, we are laying it in the flour mixture that I have. I'm sorry about that. Y'all wasn't even on camera there. I'm hoping that the tail will make it in the frying pan too. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to add some more oil to it. We'll get her rocking it here, baby. Keep it rocking. All right. I'm gonna sit y'all right here. Bear with me. Sorry about all the movement. I gotta balance out my There we go. All right, there it is, y'all. I hope that it comes out exactly the way it did on TV. I don't know. It's supposed to be 3 minutes one side, 3 minutes the other side. I thought my tail did not make it. I just flipped it over, y'all. Check that out. That is pretty. I took the first one off the fire. I got the second one in there now. I think it looks pretty good. It's got that right color to it. This is the other side. I just laid it on a napkin here. It's cool. I ain't worried about that. All right, y'all. I finished the cook here. One of them was a little dark, but it's gonna work because it's pretty good. And it got taste tested approved by Brad and V. So it's good. We're gonna go and check these out now and see what it's like, and I will get back to y'all and let y'all know. The Bangus fish was a hit, y'all. My sister, my brother-in-law loved it. My neighbors, Brad and V, loved it. And the beef lumpia was really good. I mean, it was crazy good. I got to get some more of those because those were on time. Y'all tell me what you think about my truck. Let me know.